What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today I'm about to pull up on my little bro Cedro, man, aka FMB, fresh made bullets, man. So y'all gonna see them nice bullets he got too, man. I'm about to pull up on him, cause y'all know I've been had well, it just came in not long ago. This right here, which is my little bro Cam South. Y'all know I bought this thing back last year for him as a surprise, cause he was talking about it and this and that. I just bought it for him, whatever. I mean, he gonna put together an engine for something else he got going on, another project. Y'all know he got the nice Cutlass Stella, man, which y'all gonna see that too. But y'all done seen the car before if you really follow the vlog, man. But he doing something else, so he putting something else together in addition to that. So like I said, I got him. I surprised him with the camshaft. When I bought, I think when I bought a boatload of stuff for meats. I bought it a long time ago. It was last year, but it just now came in probably like a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks ago. So I'm gonna pull up on him, chill with him, whatever. Ain't no telling what we're gonna get into, man. I'm gonna tell him let's go to the gun store while we up there where he located. Cause I ain't never been. Say, man, let's go to the gun store, man. I wanna see what y'all got here around here. So that's what we got going on for today, man. It's a pretty day. Finna do that. So. And I'm gonna make another stop too. I'm gonna make another stop, man. I gotta see though. I'm gonna put it on the vlog, man. She might not see it. I don't know. But anyway, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, look, man. We checking in, man. Checking in. I know it, dog. Let me see. Hold on. Let me bright y'all look. Bright y'all look. Man, I got over here a little bro house, man. He got me finna play. You got the Oculus, man. Look, I thought about getting one of these, boy. I hope I don't knock nothing over. I already asked him. I said, I asked him if he hit something, man. He said he about knocked that table over. He said it was bowling. So yeah, I'm finna get on this, man. I told him I'm gonna get him to record y'all, cause man, it might go down, man. Might go down. Then I'm gonna show y'all his the bullets and stuff too, plugs and all that stuff, so y'all can get at him for that and all that good stuff. So y'all stay tuned. What I do now?
Look at the camera. It's a camera in front of you.
Oh, I see it. Oh man.
Alright, and then it should be another screening that you can start the fight or you can do the little sparring.
We're gonna start the fight. We're gonna go straight into it.
So take your hand and hit start the fight. Take the remote.
Oh, look at what the fuck? What?
You got them gloves on, don't
you? Man. Hold on. What we do, man?
Start fight with the glove.
Hold on, start fight.
Yeah.
Fight right there. Exit game. Hold on, man. General. It ain't doing that though.
Start fight ain't at the bottom or somewhere, in the middle somewhere.
It right here at the top. It say fight. Then you got speed drill. You got quick. Exit game and read.
Okay, so put your glove on fight. If it ain't doing that, walk up to it and it gonna touch.
Oh my god, man! What?
All right, so now you can have a sparring partner, or you can go 3 rounds and fight somebody.
Man, let those sparring. It's crazy. This some crazy junk, boy.
All right, so now everybody be a dude step up to you now. Y'all gonna be ready to hit.
Oh, hold up. Oh. Hey, it sounds like it's in the room too, the audio.
Yeah, you got audio on it. So it say step back in your corner.
Let's see, I'm in the box. Continue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put the glove on, continue.
Oh, go. What the? Hey.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah.
Tag. Oh, bro, it don't hit slick.
It's
It
on
don't
crazy.
hit wild.
It's crazy. Ain't it?
Oh, oh. He tagged me. Bro, this don't hit. It don't wow. It don't hit wild.
Look at jab. Look at him.
Tag. Oh, it beat when you get out.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh! Oh, this junk wild. Oh,
It took a real workout too.
he got going for real. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's like I'm beside him.
Yeah, y'all.
Oh.
He went and punched the door.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a different, ain't it, man?
Yeah.
It's a whole new game experience, bro.
I'm gonna have to get one of them.
It's not different, man.
Man,
It's a whole new game experience.
You look at the video, it ain't nothing like doing it.
No, because you can't record what they actually see, like what you actually
exactly. Oh, they're wild. That don't scare too, boy. That don't.
see. He be up on you.
Yeah.
You like, so when it say ready, fight, somebody just walk straight up on you.
Oh, that don't scare, boy. It like they right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was playing bowling the other night with a dude right here. We was just bowling all night.
For real.
Online.
Y'all check them out, man. Check out the puppies. Golly, they pretty too.
These puppies here, they just about to turn 6 weeks old.
6 weeks. Golly.
They just about to turn 6 weeks. So they ain't had their shots yet, so they can't walk around. Not on the ground.
Look here.
So once I give them their shots and stuff, you know, I can let them out.
Fresh made bullies, y'all.
Fresh made.
These all sold too.
Yeah, all these sold.
Oh, these sold, man. They quality, man. Like it's. Golly, look. Yo, yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
You said 6 weeks?
yeah, these 6 weeks.
God.
See, she 9 weeks, but she a little smaller than the rest of them. This one I got off another breed. The one I was telling you about yesterday.
Oh yeah. So this the one. You gonna see his channel. He gonna bring her back to life.
I gotta put some work in on her. But let me see. He going to this one right here. He going to Connecticut.
Oh, you got dog. Hold on.
We sold him in Connecticut.
Golly, boy, he thick, boy.
Oh yeah, real thick.
He thick already.
Yeah, super thick.
Golly.
He going to Connecticut. He going to Houston, Texas.
Golly.
And
They pretty too, y'all.
the female right here. She going to New York.
Out of state, like
Yeah.
do high quality stuff, like professional breeder, like for real. Really do stuff. Man, look here. So y'all definitely, if you into the bullies and stuff, wanna catch on one of these litters, man.
Oh yeah, I got some more planned for later on this year.
All of them got in the corner. They just stay on top of each other.
Yeah, that's all they do, stay on top of each other.
Look, they know who feed them. They went right over there.
Oh yeah.
I bet if you walk over here, they'll come over here.
Yeah, and then they know what time it is, like with the pan and stuff.
Yeah.
With their pan. But I just not too long fed them.
Look at.
But they know what time, they know what the pan was like.
Man, These some pretty dogs, man. Look at them. They all gone, man. His litters, as soon as they hit the ground, they go pretty quick.
Yeah, they go super
So,
fast.
like I said, I put his information on the screen. Y'all should have saw that by now. YouTube channel and all of that. Oh, man, I don't know what the camera do adjust it, but y'all can see what size they got on them already. They big for real, man. Golly. Already. Yeah, it just the bloodline, like he really professionally breed, man. He take this stuff real serious and got customers all over the United States.
All of them get the haircut or get the ear clip.
Ear clip, yep.
If you into that, if you ain't, it don't got to come clip.
Man, it's crazy. They done calm down now.
They pretty much however you want it.
Right.
But
There they go, y'all. Y'all see them.
this when we went to Virginia that time. Well, we
Oh,
all the way to
yeah.
Virginia.
Yep.
These don't that little.
This the litter, yep.
Little we was gonna make up there in Virginia.
What the parents said. Or the mama, I should say.
She in the back.
Yeah, the mama. Y'all can see her too. Y'all want to.
She in the back.
This China litter.
Nah, that
Onyx. My bad. Yeah, Onyx. This Onyx litter. So yeah, y'all. I want to show y'all them on the vlog. I know some of y'all into these bullies too, man. These some nice pup. Get them.
They will be pocket. They not no micro or exotic bullies.
Right. Look at them. They chilling now.
Yeah, they can chill.
I'm gonna turn y'all back on. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. Checking in. So, y'all see, dog. Oh, got a hiccup. And got back from little bro crib. Bring y'all up. Man, it's crazy. There we go. What's some? Oh, I got a hiccup, boy. Got back from little bro crib, so now finna take off again. Cause crank y'all up. Cause now I'm finna go to another gun store. And man, y'all seen me playing that Oculus, man. That junk there funny. That junk there funny, man. I just looked at myself. Man. That junk there is funny. But that thing there so real. I'm probably gonna go and grab one today. Man, the hiccup, boy. But I'm probably gonna grab one day. No lie. So, finna hit the gun store. And see, we got time, man. We should get there like, well, we should have about 30 minutes in there before they close. So I'm gonna go see what they got and all that good stuff, man. You know. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna turn y'all back in when we get there. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. Back. I'm back, man. Me and wifey back from the gun store. We went to the gun store, man. I ain't pick up nothing today, cause I really went for one thing. They had sold out. I went for that Zastava M70. They had got a new shipment of AKs. They ain't have it. I started looking at some other stuff, cause I want me a crossbreed too, like an AR. I want an AR pistol. And I want AR AK. Some people probably like, what is AR AK? It's an AR platform that shoot AK rounds though, 7.62 by 39. And I want an AK that shoot AR rounds. So AK that shoot 5.56 is a 223. They had one in there, but I wasn't familiar with the company, so I like I'm gonna look into the company first. So I ain't getting none. But I told y'all, man, I played that thing. I went and got it, man. I went ahead and bought the Oculus Quest 2, man. I'm like, the whole house about to be lit. We were down there telling my mother-in-law about it, man. I said she already ready to try it out. Y'all know she be down for everything. So we finna be on there. I looked at that video. Man. I ain't see it earlier, but I looked at that video of me playing that thing. That junk, they're funny. That junk funny. I don't know who all on here. On the vlog channel that played this thing before. You can look at videos. I done looked at videos on there, cause I'm slick a gamer too, man. I love game, man. I got Xbox. I'm a gamer, man. I be locked in sometimes. So I don't know who ever done played this before. But when I say the video you can look at versus being in the headset and doing it yourself, it's a whole different ball game, man. It's a whole different ball game, man. That junk there is a trip, boy. That junk trippy, man. So that's what we finna do, man. I'm finna get this thing set up. Like I said, I'm finna get this thing set up, man. Have a little fun. The day y'all looking at this is actually me and wifey 10-year anniversary. Cause y'all looking at this on Saturday. It's our 10-year anniversary, man. I'm so happy for that. This the day before, obviously I'm recording. Man, I'm excited, man. I told wife at 12 o'clock, man, we're gonna be 10 years, man. Don't even feel like it. So you know, that's lovely, man. It been 10 great years too, man. Like it ain't been rocky or none of that. Like I said, I ain't gonna get on here and cap with y'all. If it was, I tell y'all straight up, like this and that, went through this. But I mean, with marriage, it's what you make it, and it depends on who you marry, man. Like some people will tell you, like, they be like, it's rocky, this and that, but our marriage has not been rocky, never. That's the honest to God truth on my mama. My mama dead and gone. On our firstborn child, Carrie, it has never been rocky, man. It just come from true soulmate, best friend. Like, you know, wife is my best friend or whatever, so she always got my back, no matter what. She always down to ride. Like, if I told wifey, hey, man, this all it come down to, man. We got to go make some, we got to go do something, man. We got to go do some dirt. Hey, she'll be with it. She, as long as it's within reason. But I ain't like that, man. I ain't on there. I'm just saying. So, you know, 10 years, man, we going to be celebrating, obviously. And all of that, man, you know. I'm going to go ahead and tell everybody that made this far and said congratulations or looked at this vlog, man. I thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. I seen y'all saying congratulations in the other vlog too, and all of that. Like I said, more laid back, not cost stuff, man. But like I said, I was actually gonna drive R&B, man. I was gonna drive R&B, but I forgot to go back and readjust them brakes. Cause I think I said that earlier. I can't remember, but I'm gonna reiterate again. But like I said, when I was showing wifey how to change the brake drums, if y'all have not saw that video, go look at her video all the way through. We were tripping on that thing too. But when I was showing how to change the brake drums, when we did the driver's side, I showed her the wrong way. I did. I put it on. I knew what I was doing, but I told her off camera, but we didn't record it. Cause when what I did basically, you know, you're supposed to let the brake shoes in so the new drum can slide on easier, cause the material thicker. So it was tight, and I was able to get it on there. I just kind of beat it around like that with the hammer and kind of forced it on there. But it's basically like the brakes engaged, put the rim back on, all that. Cause I'm gonna tell wifey later, I'm like, you see what I did over there? She ain't gonna know what I did wrong, but which I told her off camera. I like, we're gonna have to go back and I'm gonna have to go back and loosen it up. But I just showing you that's not the proper way to do it. And this way that I showed you right here, which she did it herself, I like, this is the proper way to do it. So I hopped in that thing, man. I felt the thing locked on that side. I said, up, put it back. Cause I ain't have time to be fooling with it. So man, I'm gonna go do that tomorrow too before me and wife go out. Let them brake shoes in, so the brake drum be moving freely and stuff. So that's why I ain't drive R&B. But like I said, laid back, man. Laid back vlog, man. You know, with the fam. I enjoyed my little bro today. Hung out with him all day. Dropped his camshaft off and all of that. So, and this man that made me get an Oculus, man. I'm finna send him a picture right now. Like, bro, I told you, man. I played that thing today. I went and got one today. I said, man, I told you I'm going to get it, boy. He messed me up. So, I'm finna get this thing charged up. Have a little fun, man. Kick it. Chill out tonight. So, I appreciate y'all, man, for tuning in with me. I'm going to catch y'all later. BCG. We out.